Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Next questioner. There's been talk about Pakistan forming relations with Israel, and we know the winds of change are blowing through the Middle East. Is this in the cards, and why?
I'm afraid I don't know where this has come from. It's not. Pakistan has a very straightforward position, and it was a founder of Pakistan, Qaid-e-Azam, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was very clear that, there has to be a just settlement, a homeland for Palestinians before Pakistan can recognize Israel.